After this runs for a while and this comes up to temperature, and I've got water in here this time because this has been running for a bit. After it runs for a while, you can lean out the carburetor a little bit. This will run more consistently, especially when I drag my finger on the flywheel to put it under load, and we cause it to fire continuously. It's also a good way to polish the end of your finger. When you load it down, if it takes a while for it to speed up again, the carburetor is still a bit too rich. When it's firing continuously, this heats up pretty quick. That's why I have water in it. A future upgrade would be adding an oiler here and possibly one here and here for the crankshaft bearings. And some type of drive pulley to go on the shaft.